Welcome back. You are now looking at the pages area, and the paging system is very close to the post system in terms of how we present information. Now we're looking at this page because you'll need to know that pages, when they're set up, are either set up as child pages or they're set up as parent pages. Now everything that you see here is not set up as a child page, meaning WordPress treats this as a category all by itself. Now, when we create a page, we can create a page that is a child of any of these pages, or we can set it up so that it is a parent page like all the rest. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start by clicking the Add New button. We're going to place our content into our post. We're going to get rid of some of this noise. Going to switch over to the visual editor. Going to make this again. We're going to do something with our subtitles, and we're going to hyperlink some of the information. Now, if you look to the right hand side, what you're going to notice is that we can determine that this can either be a parent page or it can be a child page, or we can determine what the parent page is, and you'll see all those pages before. So we want to make this a child page of the About category. We can do that. And when we click Publish, we'll actually see it. So let's go ahead and click Publish. And now let's go back to the All Pages area. And if you'll notice, that page is now treated as if it is a child page of the About section. So what we want to do now is take a look at the URL. And what you'll notice is that it's considered to be a child page. So you'll notice that there is the About section, and now there is our page name. So you want to take note of how the URL is going to appear when you actually do your pages in that way. Now there's one other aspect to our post that we'll need to take a look at. And what we can do is we can actually set a featured image that's going to appear at the top of our content. And so we can go and click this link and we can feature our content. Now it's not going to appear inside of the text as we did before. It's going to appear on top. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Update. And now we're going to take a look at our page. And you can see now that our page features the image at the top. So this is another alternative for you as you consider how you want your content to appear on your pages. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.